The bandsaw is a saw best used for curvilinear cuts, or for cutting irregularly shaped material. Here at the Idea Shop, we have two vertical bandsaws that we outfit with different sized blades to cater to a variety of projects. The following materials are approved for use on the bandsaw: prototyping boards, like cardboard, chipboard, and foam core; rigid foam, like styrofoam or pink XPS foam; wood products, like MDF and plywood; soft plastics, like PVC; hard plastics, like polycarbonate, acrylic; and some soft metals, like aluminum. The bandsaw can be outfitted with different types of blades to cut various materials in different ways. Variable parameters in bandsaw blades to be mindful of include thickness, tooth size, and teeth per inch. Always choose a suitable blade for the type of cut you are wishing to make, and for the material that you are cutting. Here at the Idea Shop, we have two bandsaws outfitted with different blades for use with a variety of materials. Consider a thicker blade for more rigidity and straighter cuts, a smaller, thinner blade for more intricate cuts, a higher tooth count for smoother, slower cuts, good for acrylic or woods subject to tear out, a lower tooth count for faster cutting or ripping.
Be sure to keep long hair tied back. Any loose items of clothing like sleeves should be rolled up past the elbows. Don't forget to tuck any scarves or hoodie strings into your shirt. This will all help prevent entanglement in the machine, which could cause an injury.
Select the proper blade for your project. Ask a staff member for advice if you are unsure. Set the blade guard to approximately 1/2 inch above the material to be cut. Only adjust the height of the blade guard. Users should never adjust the cooling blocks or bearings. If the blocks or bearings need adjustment, ask a staff member for help. When making adjustments, ensure the machine is unplugged to avoid accidental starts. Plan sawing procedures so there is a minimum of backing out. Feed material into the blade at a moderate rate of speed. Too slow will generate extra heat, and too fast will put additional stress on the blade. A staff member can assist you if you need a refresher. Always keep fingers out of the path of the blade and a safe distance away from the cutting area. Be especially aware when you are finishing a cut. Body parts should never enter the area of the circle guard insert on the bed. Listen for a consistent cutting sound when operating the machine, and take care to avoid any harsh screeches or squeaks that occur when undue stress is placed on the blade. Ask a staff member if you are unsure. To facilitate cutting sharp curves, make relief cuts or tangential exit cuts in order to relieve excess pressure on the blade. If you need to back out of a cut, turn off the machine and allow the blade to come to a complete stop before doing so. Never back out of a cut when the machine is running, as this can pull the blade off the wheels towards you. If the bandsaw breaks or comes off the wheels, step away immediately, shut off the power, if you can, without endangering yourself, and notify shop personnel. Make all cuts with material resting on the bed. The blade moves in a clockwise downward direction and will naturally pull your material downwards towards the bed. While using the bandsaw, be sure to stand in front of the machine and feed the material forward. Do not stand on the sides. Plan your movements so that your fingers stay away from the blade's path. Use a push stick if needed for smaller or difficult to cut pieces. We have a special jig for cutting perfect circles. If you are unsure how to execute a cut, ask a staff member for help. We may have a jig to help you. When you are finished, turn off the machine using the off switch. Only after the machine has been turned off, remove your card from the Energizer. Clean up your area of any debris. Don't forget your ID